are back with another vlog, and the next 4 days, as you can see, I'm smiling, I'm gassed. It is flipping Dankie sounds. Cheers. Hey, bro's got so much money. Bro's buying crepes at the airport. Bro.
Who's the one actually buying shit? Who's the one actually buying
you,
shit?
bro. Yo, just touchdown in Ibiza.
Ibiza.
It will be documented.
Listen, the groove will be televised.
It will be documented.
I'm moving mad.
Oh, you left your casa?
I left the casa in the car.
We telling them?
Hey,
we landed.
We landed, man.
Say the name of the hotel.
Vibra Yam Hotel Urban.
Yeah, I just reached the hotel room. Peak, can't lie. Impressive. And this hotel's only been open for 6 weeks, you know. Alright, boom. So we just had a nap. It's like a 2-3 hour nap. Now we're out. Fine boy, no pimple, no one. But yeah, we're going to get
Some grub.
some Chinese, you get me?
Chinoise.
You know, Shactive loves a munch, innit, you know what I'm saying? So, you get me? Yep, Shactive boss to the spot. We're gonna see what it's saying.
Listen, can't go wrong with the Chinese.
Yeah, your thing looks peak still. Can't go wrong with the Chinese. You can't. Alright, cool. Taste test. Test this food. See what one. Wow. They weren't joking when I said spicy, but making sense, eh? Yeah? Gara? Sweet and sour chicken? Is it Gara though? Yeah? You're not making? Same. Yeah, man. Got our pool, guys. It's peak. We send them, Shaq.
Hey, bro, you ever seen Michael Phelps in Tenerife? Not Tenerife, Ibiza.
Yes, guys, this is the first out and drip. Keeping it simple. You get me? Literally caught these at the airport. Still, it's a Garado. You get me? With the Pardo shorts and the 2 dark top. Yeah, man. Obviously, we're going to O Beach right now. Welcome, not the welcome party, the party before the welcome party. So I don't want to give them too much, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. We just reached O Beach. We tell us, Jackson.
Hey,
welcome to Ibiza.
There's a little more.
Shaki Makwa Mena. Shaki Makwa. The big boss is here. Blacks, man. Blacks, man. It's good to walk down the strip and meet the superstars. John Wicker.
This is my boss.
The man them.
No.
Well, like, we just see John Wick. Come on.
John Wick does what he wants, when he wants, whatever he wants.
Tell him. He gets wherever he wants, wherever he wants, whenever he wants. We're telling him, Dankie weekend, what we saying? We're live.
But we're live, man.
Yeah, outside.
Good weekend, though. We're going to enjoy ourselves.
Let's go. Trust me.
We're getting blasky, you know what I'm saying?
So right now, we're about to take shots. Why does everyone look scared? What's going on? Why does everyone look scared? The same people that were saying shots, everyone's quiet now, rah.
Let's get it!
You're the only person that's excited.
And I'm the one bidding it, I'm just doing it all.
Alright, let's go, guys, let's go. To Dankie Sounds 2025, to more blessings, more success, and more memories.
And close the tank.
Way!
What I hate about like vloggers and influencers, like your purpose is to make it look cute. So even like this mess, like
Nah, man, Bunda, organic, man. Organic, man. We like it raw dog, darling. Sorry.
Raw dog is mad. Raw dog is mad.
Hey, oh, why for that? Why for that? No, sorry. I said we like.
It's bad. It's good.
You get it?
It's bad.
Listen, we're not listen.
I'll be honest.
It's gotta be natural. Like, let them see the mess. We're not doing aesthetics here.
I like raw dog, but this is not. This is a different.
Wait. She said what?
Stop now.
don't know who
Stop it, calm down.
We're cheersing.
Oh shit.
We're cheersing to Black Excellence.
Yep.
And a fucking brilliant weekend. Yeah. With Dankie soon.
What you saying, Attractive? Night one done.
Hey, pre-season ready. Get me match fitness good.
Yeah.
Get me grass is freshly cut.
Yeah.
First game of the season. Just get me. Just gonna have our rest.
Yeah.
Hydrate. Take
Yeah.
our electrolytes.
Yeah.
Just get me. And
Here we go again.
first game of the season.
You get me?
Full
Like,
90, man.
you heard what Shactive said. The pre-party was good. Tomorrow I think it's the boat thing and then nighttime party. So yeah, Dankie sounds. Let's go. Hey, I can't lie. At night our hotel looks peak. Yeah, man. My content creator, you know. Come on. Bro just got his BP. Come on. The next day. You saying, Shaq?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's match day.
Alright, so guys, I've got some good news. I just got the last minute call up, like my name's Miles Lewis Skelly. You get me? They said, yo, Sooks, come do a set on the boat. I said, alright, cool. And guess who just landed?
Yeah, mean man.
What's the timing of that? What's the timing of that?
It's Lamine
So-
in the car.
Yeah, guys, it's about to be mad. What's the man them saying? Yeah? Dankie 2025. Hey, Blacks, behind the scenes for the vlog.
Hey,
get me?
we're
Working
working
hard.
over here, man.
You get me?
Yeah.
Serious.
Once again, start sitting down. Get up and wine on your friend.
Then I love the vibe we talk about.
Find a friend and wine on your friend. What happens when the boat stays in the boat? What's the way, baby? Love it again. Love it again. Ladies, just bust away, bust away, bust away. Wine for me, baby. Say, can you feel it? I say, can you feel it? I do the digga, take that love from me. Give it to me, 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 give it to me. Give me my papita, give me my papita, give me my papita. Happy Sunday, my boy. Yeah, back up. Then what? So all the darling sweeties on this boat today. So all my darling sweeties on this boat. Let me talk to you like this too. Oh my darling. Say. Oh my darling. Hey. Hey. You know I be loving. Oh Jimmy. Hi Jimmy. Hey. So simple play. What? Hey Black. What?
This is my guy, you know. Can we have tequila? Tequila's finished. Nah. Jimmy, see what you're doing? Tequila's done. Yeah. So guys, the boat party, round it up in one word.
Yo.
Movie. Can't lie, it was an absolute blast.
Wherever they do it, I do.
You obviously see the clips of me shelling it. They got Showtime. Yeah. Guys, it's Showtime, set time.
Back outside.
You know the vibes.
You know what's going on.
Showtime. Show them the mic, bro. You ready? You ready? You ready? Guys, we just left the welcome party. He flipping shelled it.
Thank you, my boy.
You lot already, you've seen the content. I ain't got to say more. That was mad. So yeah, right now we're going to get food, freshen up, then go to the what's tonight? Afro World.
Actual, I don't know. Sorry. Do you think I know?
No,
anyone?
close friends after
Okay.
party. So
Hey, my close friends.
link up. Alright, cool.
Let's go.
So guys, Showtime just got the last minute call up. Look who just landed. Yeah, sir.
Management and that.
Some guys from hiding. Management just landed.
Yeah.
You get me?
Stylist is shy, but
Stylist aside. But it's Showtime again. Showtime again. Last minute call up again.
I'm walking in.
Hold on a second. You see ribbons? You see ribbons? Ladies, this one should be for you. Give me that cake with your dancing shoes. That seems sweet in the top of the room. Oh my gosh. I'm like, ladies, this one should be for you. Give me that cake with your dancing shoes. Oh, yeah. It's uptown.
It's coming to fall!
It's uptown. I have a brother. I Showtime a family. This is what you call community abroad. This is a community abroad. My brother for life. What I'm being like. DJ, we wanna party. DJ, we wanna party. I said DJ, we wanna party. And that's
Showtime, we tell him. Wait, guys, it is now 4 a.m. Weekend. He was going to the party.
I just come from the party.
You know, he was going to the
party.
He was going to the party. What time is the party? Alright, that's day 2 done. And to be fair, day 1 hasn't really started for a lot of people, but that's my day 2 done. You get me? Shout out to the Dankie team. The man, they were shelling it. Bedtime now. Tomorrow, day 3, we go again.
Good morning, guys. Slumps, I ain't got much to say. Welcome back, my bro.
I cannot fall asleep. I missed the party.
It's calm down, man. You can't complete the whole jigsaw sometimes. So, guys, it's the next day, and we have a situation. What's going on?
They came to clean the room.
And they took your Air Forces. They took his Air Forces.
Unless I'm bugging out, bro. Unless I'm tripping, I don't know.
He's gonna get it back.
Bro.
So, guys, this is why you have to always look. Just look. Just look. You'll find your stuff, bro. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, stylist. Wait, stylist, do you approve? Do you approve, stylist?
Oh, it's been in.
Oh, shit. Stylist, you approve, though, yeah?
Yeah.
Say no more. Yes, sir. Guys, we told this guy 3 o'clock. It is now like 3:40.
His eyes not even open.
Chose. Yo, guys, thank you.
To not oversleeping.
Alright. No sleeping for the rest of the weekend.
go with
Enjoyment. This is family.
Yep.
Guys, if you ever bump into each other
Yep.
when I'm not there, because obviously we're connected together. You guys are family to me.
Facts.
You're
Come
my
on.
brother.
Come
I
on.
love you so much.
Come
Nicole,
on, love you too,
you're
bro.
My sister, Jay, Shaq, my brother, Swa, my sister.
Come on.
Guys, please, no matter what you do, focus on your vision. No one will ever love what you do more than you.
Facts.
No one will
Facts.
ever do what you do better than you.
Poet.
So,
Clack
from here
it.
on out, lock in,
Man's home.
stay locked in,
Yeah.
make money, make memories,
Yeah.
and the most important thing, love God.
That's right. Amen. So, guys, we're currently at KFC. You see them lot. Gotta wait for their food. My food came first. You get me? VIP settings. It's currently 10:45. Showtime set is in literally 2 hours, so we need to eat, go back to the hotel, get ready, and then we'll make it in time. Let's see. So guys,
We got burgers.
apparently having a burger in KFC is criminal.
From the KFC CEO.
Yes.
KFC Odogu.
Kentucky himself.
Kentucky himself.
Man like Kentucky.
Man like Kentucky. Oh, it's my vlog.
Are you influencer?
Vlog, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Bring it. Oh, fans.
Influencer.
Oh yeah, Anna. Gigi. Wow. Chai. Orange, yeah. Green tea. Showtime, my Pamina. Showtime. Hey, beginner. Show me your beginner. Show me your dance now. Show me your beginner. Hey. To the wall, put up,
Body Chevrolet. Body Halala. Body is a window shopping. Body is a
fuck it up. Fuck it up. Alright, we en route.
We're en route to Eden nightclub. We're gonna have a blast.
The Ibiza one, by the way.
Yeah, Eden, not St. Paul's, not the London, not the East London one. We international.
Trust
you
me.
lot don't know about that.
You know the vibe.
You get like we're outside the UK, like you lot are inside. I'm joking. I love you lot.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I love you lot. Down.
Alright,
I love my people down.
I'll go
because-
back now then.
No, you'll see me in Eden next week. Same way. I don't mind.
Hi guys, my name is Nashonda. I'm a great person. This is my new.
Why are you a great person?
Because I'm just.
Well, actually, wait. Say what you was gonna say first. And
This
then
is my good friend.
trust me.
My good friend. We're having a time.
We're having a blast.
In Ibiza. If you weren't here, you missed out.
And why are you a great person? You say you're a great person.
Yeah, I'm a great person.
For those that are looking,
For
those that are
looking
interested.
and interested, I'm a really good person. I'm kind.
Did you hear what she said?
I'll cater
Did you
to
hear
all
what
your
she
needs. What did you say?
She said smack that. Sorry, that was funny.
I'll cater to your needs.
Wow, boy.
You know what I mean? Like,
Hey,
I'm
man,
a
trust
I'm a
me.
lover girl.
The CV's good.
You know, like when they say the real lovers are dead.
Yeah.
I'm the lover.
Yeah, man.
That you lot are looking for.
This is a serious CV.
Yeah, serious.
Hey, man, them. Send your applications.
You know I'm a
in.
lawyer. Let me just throw that in there. I'm a
Wow.
lawyer. I got 2 degrees.
You're
not
making
one,
the
two.
strong. You're making the CV
I got a
stronger.
master's degree.
Crazy. You
Bridal
man, air
price
that,
is
yeah.
high.
Air that, yeah.
Bridal price is
Hey, you man, let's go this way.
25k bridal price.
25k. Might as well round it up to 30.
Yeah. Bring it up, please.
Get the money out. So that one's specifically for the Nigerians, right?
Wow,
Because
that is a great accent.
Do you know what? You know what? What happened? Oh
Listen,
shit! You
sorry,
scared
guys.
me.
In DC, that's how we talk.
Is that where you're from?
I'm from, actually, guys, I'm from Michigan.
Michigan. How do you spell that?
M-I-C-H
Yeah. Yeah.
again. It's true. That's how we spell it.
First.
And if anybody wants to test me on that, we can go toe to toe. We can go M for M.
We can go.
We can go spelling for spelling. That's okay.
Don't sit up. Hey, fuck it up. Fuck it up. Oh, fuck it up. Hey.
cool, guys. The night is done. It's 5. It's 5 what?
36.
What?
a.m. Not.
Why am I outside at 5:36 a.m.? What? Doing what? Crazy.
No breakfast tomorrow.
Breakfast. That breakfast is not seeing me.
But no, we can make it. We can make it. 10 to 11 breakfast.
Come say something to the vlog. We're wrapping up the vlog.
Wrapping it up.
We're wrapping up the night, actually.
Okay, it's been a great time.
It's 5:30. Some people are moving like they don't have beds to go to. What? 5:37. What? Sure.
We had a good time.
Bye. Yes, you know what time it is. The last day. It's a shame. But yeah, right now, going to get food with the gang. Then we're going to the last event. I've been eating KFC and nonsense, so let's see what we can find today. Guys, I came downstairs, yeah? Look what I'm wearing. What's they're laughing at my shorts. Fam, what's wrong with my shorts? Wait, what's up? Wait, what's that? No, you're not violating. This is dark. I don't know what was wrong with
What you wore earlier?
the chest shorts that I was wearing.
They're dressy shorts.
She's a stylist, you know what? She knows.
Stylist.
Dressy
She's
shorts.
What does the stylist say? What does the stylist say?
No, she's
better.
yeah. She said you
10
know.
out of 10.
Yeah. She's stylist. She knows what she's doing. So guys, Nicole brought us to Rio. Ibiza.
Been here before, man.
You been there before?
Yeah,
What do you have?
Everything on the menu.
You've had everything. Greedy. Say nothing. Alright, cool. Let's see. It's looking tantalizing still. You get me reviews coming. Yeah, guys. Nicole.
Yeah?
You done your thing with this one.
Yeah, but
I swear that looks. Look at that.
it looks good.
The head is saying, eat me, eat me. Yuck. Guys, there's a lot going on here. I'm watching the game. They're waiting for me. These two are dancing. And it's 1-1. Come on, you gunners. Alright, cool. One route.
We're flying, man.
Tracked it with the juice. It's the last night.
Listen.
You get me? It will be televised. Okay,
I'm just naked on the street.
It's the last day. What are you telling them?
I'm just naked on the street.
Easy.
No.
Cool down. Cool.
Hey, yo.
Yo, dog. Cool, na man.
You're an asset.
Cool, na man.
Yo, you're an asset.
Cool, na man. Cool, na man.
You're an asset. You are an asset.
Yo. Cool, na man.
You are an asset.
Cool, na man. Management angry. Management nervous, you know. Management nervous. Cling, cling, cling. Click, cling, clang, clang, clang.
Clingers.
Yeah, we got showtime.
Showtime.
Yeah.
Showtime is a blank hole.
Whatever that is.
Chauffeur.
Hi guys, my name is Swan. I've been the stylist of the group.
She's styled me. Look at the views behind.
Hi. This is me. You say hi, my name is Nicole. Hi, my name is Nicole. I've been the manager of the group.
She has organized
Every other.
Yep, Jack, it's going in. Go, man. Bro, what the fuck? last event, guys. Today, I'm gonna do my sum up later because wow, time to step out. It's the last fit. Everyone's downstairs waiting, so let's go. Big up Dankie Sounds.
Let's go home.
So guys, Showtime's flight is at 7 a.m. and it's currently
2:39.
It's currently 2:30. Look at it.
And I'm forwarding to the morning.
And he's on his way to host.
And guess what?
The lifestyle don't cost.
What time is your flight?
9 p.m. and you was going
9 p.m.
home.
and you're going home.
Boo.
Wow.
Well, go on, guys. So yesterday everyone was like zombies, so I didn't really get much footage. But after the morning, went home, slept. It is officially. It is officially home time. The way he's, the way his body language is, it just shows you how much of a blast we had. But yeah, home time. Sum up Dankie in one word. Blasted. Guys, tell them what happened.
Huh?
Tell them.
Apparently there's a technical fault with the plane.
So, boy,
Everyone's logged on, everyone's started.
our flight was meant to be 5:05, it's now 5. Let's see how long we're here for. We might even let's start looking for hotels, Boy, it's looking. So guys, we're lucky we caught life. It was only a 20-minute delay, something like that. Yeah, 10, 20 minutes. We're lucky, boy. But for real, it's actually home time now. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Big up Dankie Sounds one more time, every single time. Show. You're back in the UK, bro.
Hey, I'm not happy about that.
You're not happy about it?
Nah, I'm gonna go back to Ibiza.
Dankie's over, bro.
Nah, we need to keep proving.
Alright, 12 months to go, alright.
Hey, we're back. We're residents. We're doing it again.
So guys, we're back in the UK. I just wanted to say, big up Dankie Sounds. That experience was 10/10. Like, wow, I will be there every year. Amazing experience. Big up the Dankie team. Big up the people. Big up the DJs. Just big up everyone. Because wow, what an experience, man. Great experience. We go again next year.